What up? What up? How's it going? Good afternoon. We're back. Figured since, we had to cut the stream a little short this morning, we'd do a little afternoon delight for you. Little afternoon delight, if you will. What a sell-off, guys. What a sell-off. Trade of the day. Initial balance low retest. Banger. What's up, Anna? Congratulations on your payouts. Congrats. But yeah, this second retest, this first retest would have got me. I would have been stopped out. I don't know if I would have taken this one, but I actually probably would have. This is what I was talking about the other day, how the initial balance formed and we pushed through it right away. I guess that was technically a wick test. So the drawdown on that wick would have been 8 points on that 5-minute wick test there. That would have been interesting. Interesting spot. Nonetheless, he shouldn't give you any issues as long as you didn't break any rules, I don't suppose. I am going to pick up some accounts to use right now. You guys see Bulenox 90% off is back. Bulenox 90% off is back. Let's go. Yeah, if you didn't break any rules, you should not have an issue. Look at this thing just ripping. What level did the ES sell down to? Back up above 67 here. I got to pick up some accounts here. Got to pick up some accounts to trade. Let's just see. I don't know what account I want to pick up, but we're going to get something going here. Should we go with Bulenox? We do have to flip a day on Bulenox, so let's do that right quick. How's everybody's P&L looking today, though? Everybody looking all right? 54. So we do have to flip here on this Bulenox account. Let me switch over to it so we can flip it right quick on a micro. On a micro here, let's go buy, sell. Perfect. That's an executed flip. That's how you do it. Let me go ahead and get a let's get a 25K through Buley. We're going to buy some to send on the earnings this afternoon too. What up, Robert? Earnings it will be. Pivot point 19,030. Let me get my card out here. Got to make the purchase. Six. Let's see. What account should I sign up for? Take profit on Ninja? Yeah. All right, let's see here. I got my Buley. I bought a Buley account. What other account should I get? I don't know. All right. We'll look for our next spot. I mean, is there any kind of target to the downside? I don't really know. Let's see what Mancini has said. Like I said, I've been going away from the charts here, so I just got back. Still major earnings ahead, plus jobs. 54.73 next down hit. 54.57, 54.47 below. 47 below. As warned, do not fight it. We rally when when a 54.98 reclaims. All right. So basically, don't fight the downtrend. That's what he's saying. Don't fight the temptation. Topstep 100K. I mean, we could. I don't really use the 100K accounts, but I mean, I guess we could. I like the smaller accounts charged typically. So if you guys didn't see or hear, Bulenox 90% off is back. It's back. It's back. Just like that. Full port short. I mean, I think if we lose the 90, I do think it's a decent chance that we sell. 67. What's this gap here? 27 points. A big gap. ES line right there. It's 67. Right there at the comma. 90% Bulenox is back, Sparvy. It's back. 18,862, yesterday's lowest. Is that where the low was from yesterday? Is that right, Robert? I didn't even look. Previous day low, it is. And that's earnings wick, right? 4 o'clock. That's just the close. Oh, 726 is yesterday's low. 862. Where do you see 62? Is it? I don't see 62. What time is it? We just crossed over 2 o'clock. I don't know. I don't think you got to get too fancy with it. Current price is 19,000. You're on. Yeah, that's where I'm at, Robert. I think if we lose that 90, we could kind of push down here. See if we kind of push below the 90 here. Might take a little stab here. Eval only, of course. As you know, eval only. All right, let's see here. I'm going to look for like 70 on the first. And then not going to target anything too crazy. 50 on the second. Pushing through the comma. Sparvy, I'd probably go with Apex first, but Bulenox is cheaper. It depends on what you're looking for, right? Bulenox is cheaper. I'm still in the micros, guys. Oh, my goodness. I didn't realize that. Bulenox is cheaper. I like Bulenox's customer service more, but Apex allowing you to have the 20 accounts is a pretty big deal. So it's kind of, you know, like 1A, 1B type deal. I meant to be on, not on micros here, guys. So. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, you don't, like Robert's saying, you don't have to worry about rules with Bulenox, right? So if rules are something that are going to bother you, you can do whatever you want with Bulenox. So, you know, with Apex, you obviously got to factor in the rules. So, just 40% consistency rule is the only thing with Bulenox that they care about. So I did not mean to be on micros here. I meant to be on minis. But it is what it is. Go ahead and put my stop in. I expect that first target to hit here relatively quickly. Don't want to really see it come back at this point. Let's get on the right contract anyway here. And there, what is this? Oh, that's the target. All right, got to stop there at break even. Yeah, to Mimi, I figured I'd jump in, give us a little PM action. All right, there we go. Let's get back on here. And we're gonna full send some accounts here at the earnings at the end of the day, guys. Earnings at the end of the day, we're gonna full send some accounts. Why not? We have some chicky nuggets here and French fries. Show the nuggies. All right, we'll show you the nuggies. Show the nuggies. Max wants to see the nuggies too. They're just from Wendy's, from behind the dumpster. From behind the dumpsters over there. Max said, I will take a nugget. I will take a nugget right now, Dad. No more messing around. Yeah, it's a Mimi. We are. These nuggets fit the diet as far as the calories go. 990 calories, I think, for this meal. So, I mean, obviously it's not exact because it's fast food, but close enough. Let's take a little scalp here. Whenever I try to take a scalp, you ever notice that it comes like a tick or two away and then it bounces? Look at that. Look at that. Come on, man. Seriously? Come on, man. Seriously here? That's what I thought. Right now, somewhere around between 1,500 and 2,000 to Mimi. Last Blakery, how's it going? One nugget. All right, I'm not going to eat in front of you guys here. Let me take myself off here for a moment. Let me take myself off here. A little scalpy there. What? Oh, that's the other account. We got a $100 scalp there. Are we still looking for the shorts this low down? I don't know. How's the P&L treating you today, Tamimi? Just waiting here. We'll see what happens. Oh, you didn't trade? Probably a good idea. Last Blaker, you blew an account today? Yeah, that's all right, right? It happens. We all do it. I'll probably blow one myself. Or two, or three, or four. I actually like that 76 area there for potential short. Let's see if we get back up there. Got to get rid of going on tilt. Little double top there. Did we leave anything equal? Not really. We actually do have equal highs right there, looks like. Equal highs. Yeah, I don't mind that. You blew 2 accounts yesterday, Aditya? Yeah, technically that counts as like a double top. We left equal highs up here at the 42, which is kind of shocking that we did not take those. So I'm going to be looking for something, you know, to kind of come back and sweep those. If we can get an opportunity, if we just look at this from an inversion perspective here, right? We're very deep in discount, so longs are good. We're delivering here from this bullish fair value gap, right? If we get this set up, we'll take it. But we're delivering from here. So if we can hold, if we can get an inversion set up out of that, 5 points is kind of like the minimum. We don't want that to close up anymore. If it does, we may have to switch down to the 30-second chart, something like that. So then if we inverse this with the equal highs above, you see what I mean? So inverse this gap here. So I want to see this close above this. With the equal highs above up here, then I would take this. We'll scale one here at 19,003. And then we'll target the runner up to here. And stop will just go at the swing. So we'll see if this works. If we get tag, or you know, whatever, if this gets activated. Oh yeah, I like the extension of the sell. I'm okay with it. I like sales. I like sales. Now, obviously, if we don't hold this fair value gap here, what do we expect to happen? We expect us to run the low again. So we'll see what happens. I kind of prefer the longs here, but longs haven't really worked all day, so. Shorts it might be. You lost 5 150Ks, Anna? That sucks. Tamimi, not on resets. We get credit for the resets, or not for the resets, but we get credit for the. It still gives us money. I don't think it gives us anything for the resets. I'm not sure. Oh man, Anna and Tamimi, do you guys have a history that I don't know about? Sounds like y'all have a history. Boyfriend and girlfriend? Sorry if I'm smacking in your ear. I'm trying to eat quickly. You had a plan, it didn't work. Maswell. Oh, yes, you are. All right, I'm going to tell you that right now. I hate this trade. I hate it. Okay? Actually, you know what? I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. Someone just subscribed. Where'd it go? Abdo Monir, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade because this is kind of setting up for an SMT right here with the ES, so we'll see if we get it. Because the ES is kind of at the lows right now, a little double bottom. We'll see if Nasdaq sweeps the lows or not. Does it sweep the leg? I don't know. He explains everything on WhatsApp, and you only got to join his server for $19.99 a day. Of course, I didn't take it. Now it goes. Oracle said sell, but I didn't listen. I didn't listen. See, I didn't even eat all the fries. I didn't even eat them all. I would like for us not to run this low and keep this SMT in place. And then if we got a long out of here, I'd take it. But I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen, but it might. You never know. You really just never know. So this will be a long setup. A+, I like it a lot. SMT with the ES. Equal highs above. But we'll see. If it fails, it fails. You know, hey, it is what it is. Yeah, it does seem easy to me. I mean, like, you just take the signals. I mean, it's hard for me to really just take someone's signals. All right, I'm in on momentum here, guys. I'm in on momentum. I'll take... Oh, that's not right. I'll take the first one off there. And I'm going to take the second one off up here at the equal highs. And a close below, obviously, would be our stop. Stop's way wider than I want it to be here, but it's okay. That momentum, I should have probably gotten in a little sooner, but we'll see what happens. Dun, dun, dun. I'm longing because of an inversion last Blakely. So you can see this right here. We created a bearish fair value gap. We have an SMT with the ES right now, and we inverted this fair value gap, which means we closed back above it. And we have an SMT with the ES. So because of that, you know, Nasdaq did not take this low, and ES did. So because of that, I'm taking the long here. It may not work, you know, because longs haven't really been paying all that much today, but yeah, we're going to give it a go. Now, the way I manage this is if we create a swing, which we are now, then that now will be my scale and my break-even spot. So we get back above the swing. That's where I'm going to scale off one contract, and I'm going to put my stop in. So let's see what happens. And we'll still target the equal highs above. The cool thing about the inversions is like 9 times out of 10, even if you're wrong, it still gives you an opportunity to get to break even. Maybe it doesn't on this one, but you know, most of the time it does. So we'll see kind of how it plays out. If it doesn't work, then that just means the drawn liquidity is wrong, right? Kind of a dirty pushback up right there. Came a few ticks away from that break even and then pushed back down. So we'll give it the time it needs here. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, doesn't work. We just eat the loss and move on about our day. We could add here. Let's do that. We're going to add one. And we'll take it off there at the swing as well. We're all in. We're all in. Doesn't look good, but we're all in. We might get a little Degen-y this afternoon, guys, so be ready for it. You might get a little Degen over here. Oh. Just going to put the stop at the swing. Oh, it may blow the account before we even get there. I think it will. Death. That was quick. Well, that was quick. That one didn't last long. That one no last long. I guess we should have took our 7-8 points if we had it there. But hindsight's 20/20. It's the way she works. That's right. That's right, last Blakely. The SMT didn't hold. I mean, sometimes, you know, you get that manipulation leg afterwards anyway. What up, Greg? How you doing? Mamba, how's it going? Yeah, we tapped into that gap up there. We did. I saw it, but I mean, a little double top there too as well. Well, I got in a little late on that, really, but it's fine. Hey, we got our eval. Let's go. I mean, if you can't beat them, join them, right? I'm sure Jay's probably on at some point today. Oh, man. $54, $47, $50 final support before breakdown to 38 or 14. Man, I guess it's just one of those days just to get short. Congratulations, Anna. Let's go. Did you keep up with your consistency thing, or did you have to fill that worksheet out too? What up, Hanson? All right, I guess I'm just getting short, guys. Do we just get short? I mean, like, why not, right? I'm just going to get short. I mean, like, why not, right? Let's wait for a retest here of the 9/11, and I'm taking a short. 1 minute or 5 minute wick test there. I'm just going to full port short 9/11. How about that? Full port short 9/11. Not really full port, but we're going to take the short. All right, tagged in short. Let's see what happens. Of course, it'll rip on us now, huh? We can't give it that much room here. Trading Ben says bear trap. It could be, huh? It's been a bear trap all day. And we may as well just target... We'll target... Let's see. Like 45. We'll be aggressive with 2 evals, and then we're going to we'll purchase a more expensive one and slow down. That's the plan. That's the plan, guys. That's what we'll do. Don't join me on my plan, but I'm just letting you know that's the plan. If the ES can lose that 50 area, I did just kind of short right into support there on the ES. 47 to 50 is pretty big support there, but if the ES can lose it, then that will be fine. We get an elevator down if the ES loses that area. Back to the 50. Might take it a time or two to get through there, I guess. Want to take that there, or, you know, for a little winter. The ES loses that level of support, I'll rejoin the party. We'll rejoin the party. It might just lose it directly, but we'll see. It kind of loses that 47 area, then we're gonna probably see a little elevator down here. Probably should have jumped in there. Probably should have just jumped in. Yes, at the 49s, 48s. Let's see what happens at the 47. I mean, once we get to 330 today, are we going to be looking for a reversal? I think that's probably about the way the market works, right? 330, we start getting a reversal. Creed, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. What up, AS? What up? Probably going to see me take a couple stabs here. Might DCA a time or two. Just taking a little scalps. Again, we're going to be aggressive on these couple of evals. This eval, the last one. And then we'll probably buy a more expensive one through my funded futures or something like that. One we can pass today and be a less aggressive. I mean, did that not go through? I mean, am I blind? Is that wick not through my take profit? That certainly was. Like, I know I'm not blind there. I know I'm not blind. Did you guys see that too, or was I just wrong there? Or was that wick already there? Maybe it was. Maybe it was already there. I don't know. Well, we tried that long earlier and got burned. Do we do it again? Yeah, Creed, no problem. Thank you very much. Oh, sell the bounce. Yeah, it's what I should be doing, pedal pusher, but I'm thinking about buying the bounce. Zan Moher, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I should have took the short off that wick right there. I think I did that earlier, though, didn't I? Yeah, that's where I got short earlier. Even though that wasn't really a true retest because we never closed below it. Now we close below it, so this is the retest. So do we try it here for a little scalper-rooney? We're going to be taking like $100 scalps. That's what we're looking for. Just taking it off. It went. Thought it might, but yeah, that kind of was the clean retest of that wick there. Yeah, trading mints. I mean, it kind of makes sense, right? But what's the plans for passing? Yes, we're going to long and short to Mimi and see what happens. Yes, took yesterday low, and Q did not. Yeah. I don't know, Zan. I don't think it really matters whether it's positive or not. So, Rob, I usually go with so here's how it works, Rob. I typically would choose the expert account, but that being said, I think that the starter account is fine. I have the starter right now. I used to just get the expert. It's harder to pass the expert because the profit targets are higher. But the payout rules are a little more, I don't know if they're even more favorable, to be honest with you. Right now, I'm probably just going with the 50K starter. That's what I'm going to go with. But actually, I don't even know because I don't think you can trade it on my fund. I don't think you can trade it anymore on Quantower. So I'm not even sure if I'll get one. I don't even know if I'll get one. I may have to go with the only thing about Take Profit Trader, can't pass it in one day. I would like one I can pass in one day. It may just be Apex. We might be just going with Apex. Or maybe I'll pick up some Elite Trader funding. I think they got some sort of deal right now where it's like $30 and you can pass it in one day or something. We'll see. Not quite sure. If we got a boner, if we got kind of a boner candle through here, I would take it because we got kind of equal highs up here at 928. So I think it's a pretty large possibility that if we inverse this, we make it to here at least. And that's also the next imbalance. But of course, I will probably just take the 20 ticks if we do get a nice boner candle. Boner! 37.40 for the 50K. Yeah, it can pass in one day. Yeah, I may go with that. Tick Tick Trader has one day pass. I've never tried them. Yeah, no more 40% rule. Yeah, that really doesn't bother me anyway. The 40% was fine. The only thing, I mean, Elite's just a little bit annoying with some of their rules, but I don't know. I like the fact that you can that they got it to where you have a certain amount of time before you have to your activation fee basically comes out of the first payout or whatever. Or no, you get the first month free or something like that. Yeah, the first month free. We're going in on momentum here. If we close above, but we don't hit our TP, then I'll move them up. Really? Really? I mean, are you guys watching this? You guys seeing the same show I'm seeing? There we go. So, like, when this closes above, we expect it to at least hit this imbalance up here at 928. We still have equal highs all the way up here at 042. Seems crazy, but it might make it there. But we just scalped it. We just scalped it. The TP algo kicking in. Yeah, something. What we got, AS? From today, no more. Yeah. Yeah, fast track the 20%, but I like it. To Mimi, 37.40 it's trailing, I believe. Is 5 minimal days, but you can pass in one day because there's no consistency in the eval and flip for 4, Robert. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, at least I can just pass it. I can get all the profit in one day on an earnings play and then just flip it for the next 4 and still be a pass. So now we closed above this imbalance. So your next level that you expect this to at least hit would be up here. You know, if the price action is indeed bullish, at least for a little bit. So we did sweep liquidity down there, and did that close above? It did, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Now, I do think there's a good short. Didn't I say 076 was a good short opportunity? I think there's a 5-minute wick there. Yes. So if we can push up to the 076, I may try a little reaction short off that area. If we can push that. Yeah, I know that. Might as well. We know that. We're just kidding. We're just kidding. I literally laid my phone down on the desk. It made a little bump noise, and Max started barking. Maxie, get in here. Come here. What's wrong with you? Come on. Come here. Maxie, come here. Come here. Come here. Say hello. I was supposed to put you up here yesterday, and I forgot. So say hello to everyone. Say, I am the one calling the shots behind the scenes. Do not mess around, because I will bite if I need to. I will bite. Say, this is the second one of these pops that Dad has bought, because I chewed the first one up. What up, Kid Poker? Max said, hello, Kid Poker. Hello. All right, Max said, put me down now. Put me down now. He's a shedder. You pick him up, he sheds on you. That's how it works. Kid Poker, did you get short today and ride her down? Ride her, cowboy. Hey, that's enough. That is enough. Why the long face? Well, because he is a Dotson. And Dotsons have long faces. You followed your indicator, would have made 7 points. Uh-oh. 70 points. That would have been good. You were at 140, now down 115. That's reasonable, though, right? It's a reasonable swing. We made 260 on one funded and 145 on, like, I don't know, 7 or 8 others. And then now we blew one eval already. It was because of the chat. It wasn't my fault. It's because of the chat. And then we're up $5.99 on this eval. So I'd have to disconnect for you to see the full P&L, but this is good enough for now. This is good enough for now. I mean, I keep trying these longs, and I mean, this one didn't burn me, but like, you know what I mean? 3% yesterday, down 3% today. Kid Poker, that's how she works. That's how she works. Yeah, it's tough. All right, we got another SMT here. I mean, do I even believe in this one? Do I even believe in it? Do we even believe it? I mean, at some point, we got to get a push back up, right? You never try to pick the bottoms, though. That's what I always tell myself. But if the setup presents itself, you still take it. So, entered 5 micro contracts for a scalp for 20 points. Hit the TV, realized I wasn't on micro. Hey, that's a happy accident. That is a happy accident, right? Yeah, of course, Andy, as always, right? As always. I still think it's going lower too myself, but I feel like it's going to go lower, but oh, did you, Kid Poker? Man, you got to stop. Like, once you hit it, just put it away. Hardest thing to do and the easiest thing to do. We say that all. I'm sure you hear me say that all the time. Hear me saying that all the time. It's the easiest and the hardest thing to do. Man, I really think we probably go if we lose this 90. Can I get my 5 points? Not quite. Wait for a retrace. Nice job, Andy. 6K. We'll take it. Micros or minis, that's good. Doesn't matter. Make the profit and lock it in. That's right, Anna. That's what you do. Now, I trade the evals a little differently. You guys know that. But have I tested fair value gaps on IFG on ES? No, Mamba. I don't think it works as well on ES. It works, but the win rate is not as high. I've never back tested it because ES moves too slow for me. But I only like IFVGs on the ES when it's like a one setup for life setup where like you have a data high or a data low and then it's a clean inversion out of that. And then I don't mind it. But yeah, I've never tested it on the ES at all for that reason. I have no idea, Kid Poker. I guess we'll see what happens. I kind of think we're front running the earnings here a little bit. What I mean by that is pretty simple. We're front-running the earnings, so we're going to probably get a 200, 300-point boner to the upside during the earnings. Now, the only way I would change my mind on that is if 330 comes and we start walking our way up at 330, a couple 300 points. So I would not be shocked if that happens, to be honest with you. But I do expect maybe a boner candle up at earnings, but we'll see. I probably should go ahead and decide what account I'm going to get, and let me go ahead and decide what I'm going to get to send at earnings. Let's see. Do we go with Elite Trader Funding, or do we maybe switch it up a little bit and we go with the other one? Or did we just pick up some more 25Ks from Apex? Flexi? I don't know regular. I've done Flexi before. They do have 90% off. But isn't their activation fee quite hefty? Not sure. Do you know the activation fee on those accounts? $30 long here. I'm not taking it. Rich uncle. No, I'm definitely not rich. We wish. One day, someday. One day, someday, we will be. But not today. Someone had issue with a flexi payout. I saw that, Robert, but I think they ended up getting paid out, right? If I remember correctly. We hit the daily bullish fair value gap. Did we? That could be a thing. That 30-second long is banging right now. Oh, it was a hustle. I think, yeah, I'm trying to think here. Do we want to short? $30-second gap here is what I got marked out. I mean, a push above the 900 here was kind of a... That kind of makes sense. Let's see if we hold below 18. Back below 90 there, we probably continue lower. Just going to jump in here looking for these 5 handles, scalps. There we go. I think that's how I'm going to try to play this today. Just going to look for 5 handle scalps till we get to 1500 and pass. That's what the plan's going to be. The idea being that I can pick more winners than losers, but we'll see if that happens. So far, just selling every pullback or every push up seems to be the play. Until it's not, right? I wouldn't mind getting a take profit trader, but you can't pass it in one day. It's the only problem, right? You got to have 2 days to pass take profit. It's the only little bit of an annoyance there. That's definitely a buy candle right there. That looks like a buy candle to me, but still below the comma. $5 days for take profit. Yeah, but you got that 50% consistency rule cash, so you have to at least, you can pass it in 2 days and flip the other 3. I wish you could pass it in 1 and then flip the other 4. That would be nice. I don't think you can do that though. I mean, if you're going to full send an eval, you want it to be able to take all the profit. Even if you can't activate it right away, you still want it to kind of be able to take all the profit. So another stab here. There it is. When you have volatility like this, it's kind of, I mean, I don't want to say it's easy, but it makes it easier to kind of pick spots, you know what I mean? Like for 5 points. Data is rigged. What do you mean lost? What happened? So volatility far from over. Apple, Amazon earnings after hours. Decision point trap zone here, but it's posted. Does not matter for what bulls until a resistance reclaims. Now 54.74 is what has to reclaim. 38, which we already have that marked out, and 14 below. So Mancini says we got to reclaim 74 for any sort of a squeeze, and it's at 4 p.m. Yeah, it should probably hit like somewhere between 4 and 410, 415, something like that. Guys, if you didn't hear, Bulenox 90% off is back. 80% off APEX is still going on as well. If you want to support the channel, use the coupon codes above for those prop firms. We do have all the links to all the other ones. Fast Track Trading, if you want to pick up a Fast Track Trading account, use the link and then the code B5GO. Buy 5, get 1 free with a 30% discount. Comes out to be about $105 per account. It is a direct funding account. There is no eval. So if you pick up a rally account, $625 gets you 6 funded accounts, and you only got to make $1,250 across 10 days or 5, your choice, with a 20% consistency rule to take a payout of the full profit amount. Topstep links in the description as well. And, you know, all the good stuff. Take Profit Trader currently having 50% off as well. Forgot about that. Elite Trader funding. What is the deal on Elite Trader funding? I don't even know. What is the deal? View evaluations. Nice Momo candle here. No SMT though. That'd be nice, regular person, if they did that, right? Just make them permanent. That's definitely a push trade, mints. I did currency goddess, but we got back. We're still feeling good. Let's get in here and see what we can do on some evals. That's what we're doing. So we're in here mixing it up on some evals. You're down 100 today. Let's go. Not too bad. To me, I don't know if I call that a breakout, to be honest. I'm probably... looking for a little 5-point short here. There it is. Right now, that's all we're doing, guys. 20 ticks, one contract, looking for 20 ticks in a trade short. Nice, good day, currency goddess. I like it. So, I'm just looking for a little 20 tick shorts here and there. That's it. So basically, selling every pop, just waiting for a little confirmation, either a 30-second inversion, something. I almost sold this gap up here, but I didn't take it. Crawled back from 1K down to plus 300. Let's go, Tech T. Put it away. Jackson, how do you put the order? So if you right-click, you go down to Settings, you go to Visual Trading, Trades, and then turn on the Show Trades tab. So right-click, Settings, Trades, turn on the Show Trades tab. Indicator said to sell ES at 55.71. Yeah. Some days it's going to bang like that. Some days it's not, Kid Poker. You never know when's the problem. So you almost have to just take them all, you know, if you're using an indicator, or take none. It's kind of what you have to do. So take them all or take none, right? Currency Goddess, I haven't gotten an email back from them, but Scott, yeah, let me see. I'll check it right now. He did say that he'll be working on some payouts this weekend. That I guess they're at some conference in Florida. Let me see. Let me look, though. Let me look and see. I haven't checked my email today for a minute. So no email yet. So, but I'm pretty sure we'll get it. Guys, I think at 3:30, like, if you guys notice this, I mean, I guess it's probably a thing. It's not just me noticing it, but, I mean, I expect at 3:30, you know, we pump. It's kind of what I'm expecting. So, yeah, hopefully we get paid soon, Currency Goddess. I mean, like, I need the money. I'm broke. Just kidding. Not really broke, but, hey, whenever that money hits your account, it's always nice. It's always nice. It feels good. It feels good. So we'll take the money. We'll take all the monies. The cool thing is My Funded Futures, you know, when I took the payout from them, it was in my account the very next day. Request on Friday and the account on Saturday. Now that is a nice momentum candle there through the 915s. Nice momentum candle. I'm not keen on the longs here, but if we get it, stops like 11, 12 points, I'll take it, I guess, if we get it, if we get triggered. I don't like that 30-second close. I'm going to have to take it. All right, let's try it. I'm going to have to take it before the 30-second closes here because it should push. If it's going to push up, it should be on this candle. If it doesn't, then we'll just kill it. This is why you wait for the candle close, guys. Come on, you can do her. Go. Still no close above. I probably should have just took it off right there. I mean, look at that. How dirty is that, guys? That is so dirty. So dirty. No Ninja Inna on my funded futures. I don't know what platforms it is right now. So let's see here. I should have just taken that off. Should have taken it off, guys. We should have. I'm just killing it there. I don't like the look of it. Just killing it there. That algo. That algo. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, I know you can't use it on Quantire anymore. So I think Trade of 8 and those other platforms like that. Man, that 30-second never closed above. And did you guys see that? I mean, like, I'm looking for 20 ticks, and that literally went 4.75 points, 19 ticks. I should have just killed it right there when it did that, but that's all right. You win some, you lose some. Yeah, we may try it again if the 30-second gets another kick up here, but I was going to hold it through all that drawdown. If this thing burns me twice, I'm not going to take it, but the 30-second, did that close above? I mean, it did, but by like 2 ticks. Just barely closed above. Just barely closed above. Not a lot of momentum here. I don't know. Should we be taking the shorts or the longs here? I don't know. Oh, you can still connect it with NinjaTrader with the TradeAvate account? Oh, that's nice. I didn't even think about that. Thanks for that information. That's interesting. Charge thinks long. Football is finally back. What's tonight, regular person? All right, so we're kind of ranging in this gap here a little bit. I'm going to take a stab here. Goodness, as soon as I stabbed, it drops. Holy cow. Just gave back a lot of profits there. I tried to play the range there. I was like, okay, we're bouncing out of this range a couple times at this bottom. And then it just dropped. There you go. Then she just dropped. So we need to build back up a little bit here, or we blow this one. Like I said, we're going to be aggressive on this one. If we blow it, it's not the end of the world. It might go here. Yep. All right, we'll go ahead and purchase another, and that'll be the last one. Well, we're going to purchase a couple here. I think I'm going to go with like... I might go with Elite here. Let me see what type of deal they got going on. Hall of Fame game. Oh, yeah. I'm not big on those games, though, really, to be honest. What do we want to do? I guess I'm going to go with Apex. Hanson laughing at me. Oh. I guess I'm going to go with some Apex evals here. Let's see what we can do. I'm thinking... I'm just going to go with some 25Ks. So I think I'm going to pick 4 25Ks. And we are going to see what we can do with those. We got 2 weeks straight of rain. That's no bueno. It's been kind of like dreary here for a couple of weeks. Man, that sucks, man. If I just didn't enter that one trade with bigger size there trying to look for a scalp, that was just crazy. What did I do that for? What do we do that for, guys? What do we do that for? I think I'm tilted. Completely tilted at this point. Roar. Well, Bassett, I was just looking for scalps. And when you're looking for scalps like that, it's completely fine. It's fine to do that. To me, it's fine. I just shouldn't have went that big. We shouldn't have went that big on it. All right, so we got 2 accounts. Let's see here. How many do we want to do? I'm thinking... Yeah, I'm thinking 4. We'll go 4 Apex 25Ks. And I don't know if I'll hedge them. What do you guys think? Do we hedge these on the earnings? Or do we place an order above and below and see if we can get lucky and pass or fail all 4? What do y'all think? So we could hedge them and probably have a higher probability of passing 2. And we'll fail 2. Or we could place an order above and below and possibly pass all 4. So earnings are after the close. A few minutes after. So a few minutes after the close. Look at this thing go now. Now she's a-going. Just wanted to... What time is it? What time is the earning? I don't know, Room. That's what I'm thinking, currency, to pass all 4. To Mimi says to hedge them. I don't know. I mean, I think I can pass all 4 by... you might either not get tagged in at all, or if you get tagged in, it should pass. I don't know. Yeah, Bassett, that's usually the way I do it, right? I don't usually hedge. I usually like to place above and below because you're going to get a 100-point boner in one direction or the other, most likely. The trading firm had a highly profitable day. I don't know who that is. I don't know. I don't know who that is. Who's the trading firm? All right, guys. One more Bulenox to tinker around with until the numbers come out. You know what? We're going to go with the 50K this time on the Bulenox to give me some more room. The last couple of them there were 25Ks. Let's go with the 50K to give ourselves some room here. Yeah, that's what I'll do, Bassett. I'll OCO them. I'll link them. Look at this thing go now. So dirty. All right, for the next 30 minutes, we're going to listen here. Yeah, Maxwell, that's just how she goes, right? That's just how she goes. You got to flip the micro. Should get our Bewley in a minute. I'd like to get the Bewley before we get to 76. Will be nice. Well, I'm going to short 76 if I get an account before then. Come on, Bewley, give me my account. Let me disconnect it and reconnect it. Quick, Bewley, reconnect. Give me my account. Thank you very much. They know I'm going to do that. Yeah, Maswell, I said that all the time. I'm like, dude, just pass us in one day if we're just you're gonna make me just flip a micro for no reason. Like, doesn't make any sense, right? Makes no sense. All right, I'm gonna go. We'll go like this. We're gonna stand in front of the moving train here. Something like that. Yeah, Maswell, I guess that's probably true. It's possible. Let me see. Oh, was 76 the level that I was talking about, or is that a different level? So I don't actually see anything at 76. Why did I think it was 76? That's a good thing I looked at that. It wasn't a set. There was nothing at 76. Why do I have that marked? I have no idea. I don't know. Not sure. Market structure shift. I don't know. Bassett thinks we're going higher. What up, Trader Monk? You to they, the them, Lazy Trader Pro. Flexi Trade. Yes, I had a funded account with them one time. Isolana, but I lost it. I did not get to pay out. I lost it. We're scalping. We're scalping. Come on, guys. Come on. That's just dirty. Mm-hmm. I'm exiting that one for a small loser. Let me get this one on here. For a small loser. Loser. Now it goes. Now it's probably go. Yeah, I don't know, Bassett. I haven't heard anything like. I know someone said that, but you know, I don't know. Just scatter 50 micros all over the chart and close your eyes. Good point. That's good. That's good, man. That's a good idea. Very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Come on. Don't do me like this. You're really going to do me like that? You're really going to do it? You're really going to? You really are? You're really going to do that? You really are? All right, I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. Room, you didn't tell me you were long. Well, actually, to be honest with you, I don't love the shorts here, but we did push back below the 57 on the ES. I thought to myself, like, we may retest and go lower, and we just didn't. That's okay. That's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let me turn my camera back on. We're going to, we'll hold those other accounts for the after hours. I'm trading the prop firms after hour currency. It's going to be APEX. APEX. I think I'm going to use APEX. You can trade it. You can trade all the props. I think Topstep takes you out of the position at like 10 after, and then I don't know. Take Profit Trader. I think Take Profit Trader you still trade till 5. APEX you can trade till 5. So there's a few of them. I like Topstep. The only thing I don't like about them is on the regular account, the micro to mini conversion is kind of tough when you're on the 50K because they limit you to 2 micros. So, no, that's not prohibited at all, Currency Goddess. You can do that on Bulenox as well. You can trade between 4 and 5 p.m. all you want. It's just, yeah, just on Topstep doesn't allow it. How's it take profit as prop firm? Yeah, they have trade of 8 FPL. I like them. I mean, I like them. The nice thing about take profit is that once you reach the buffer zone, you can take a payout daily. So if you got a 50K account, you make $2,000 in profit once you're funded. Every single day you could take a payout. So that's nice. Room, I don't know. I think if we close below like 20 or below the 20s, then maybe. You can kind of watch this gap. This has kind of been support here, right? Kind of having a little bit of trouble going higher here. Tom Sabo in the house. Let's go. Your last trade was a couple of micros from 920 area. Aim slightly below. Let's go. Nice job, Johan. Long short, long short, long short. Yes. Celebrity Tom Sabo. What's your prediction, Tom Sabo? You have name mismatch past Apex PA 52,611 in 58 days. Do you think they will not clear my payout based on the name mismatch? What's the mismatch name on, though? I think it does have to match exactly. Why is it mismatch, Ahmed? I do think that's an issue. Your first name? Yeah, it dropped 800 points. I mean, your first name, I don't know. As long as your social, your address, and all that matched. I mean, as long as it matches, that's a tough one, I guess. Did you accidentally sign up and put the wrong name? It was like, if you did that, maybe reach out to them to see if they can fix it. You got approved payouts from Apex, and you're waiting for the email from them, and you got some email from a different company name is plain. They're saying Apex using them for sending money and asking for my bank details. Tom, does that sound right, Tom? Because Tom is also from Hungary, Trader Monk, and he just requested a payout from Apex. So, Tom, are you using plain for your payout with Apex? I have no idea. I've never heard of that. Your name is Hafiz M. Ahmed, and you just used Hafiz M. You're fine. No, Hafiz, that's fine. I mean, your initials literally match up. Okay, Tom says that's legit, Trader Monk. So if it's not the right, then I'll give you Tom's address. You can go over there and kick his ass. All right? Sound fair? See how I put Tom on the hook for that? See how we did that there? Just put Tom right on the hook. Right on the hook. Just like you hook him on the jaw. I'm just going to close my eyes in DCA here. Just going to close my eyes in DCA. One more DCA? What do you think? Or we're good with 2 minis? One more? All right, one more it is. Not going to let that one go red on me. You know him? All right, Trader Monk. Good. All internationals use plain. All right, there we go. Bulenox does not have Trade of 8. So, all of you know Tom. Perfect. You're not able to get into payouts yet, trading for 1 year. Yeah, just keep your head up, FPL. Like, 1 year is not... Dude, I didn't get my first funded account until I was in trading for 9 months. So, 1 year is not a long time. Not a long time. Just keep plugging away. Just make sure you have a strategy that fits your personality, and you're good. That is what is coming as you submit your payout mismatch. Your first name doesn't match what you entered in your plain first name. So why don't you just make it match? Why don't you just put it the way you wrote it? So, I don't know. Eigen Mukodik. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that. I don't know what that means, Tom. I don't know what that means. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do stream live 5 days a week. We're the number 2 trader on YouTube. The number 2 trader on YouTube. Hold on, let me do it. The number 2 trader on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. Haven't done that in a while, so. See what I said, guys? What did I say? I said like 3:30, we're going to start pushing up. What did I say? What did I say, guys? Look at this thing. I told you. I mean, it just never fails. Never fails. It's going to be an end of the day finale. Yeah, exactly, Isolana, right? Trade for 10 years and still not profitable. That would be kind of insane. Room's holding the long. All right, I'm going to short. Room's holding the long. I'm short. I'm going to short here. We do have equal highs up here at 19,042. I don't think it's out of the realm of possibility that we visit that area. We do have a pivot point at 28. Yeah, room, hold your long during the earnings. No stop loss on the funded. No stop loss. All right, we need to disconnect our Apex and reconnect so that we see if we got our accounts. And then we got to link them in the copier. And we got 25K. So how many ticks do we need for the 25K? Is it 76 or it's more than that? It's a personal funding. That's even perfect. To Mimi, if you have to ask who number one is, then you're missing the whole joke. You're missing the whole joke. Can anyone help Tamimi with who the number one trader on YouTube is? Who is number one? It's definitely not Tom Sabo. Tom Sabo's like 6 or 7. Let's be honest. It's definitely not Husk. He's like 20 or 30th. Patrick Whelan. There we go. Robert got it. Robert got it with the PW. It's just a joke. You know, Patrick always screams he's the number one day trader on YouTube. That's his spiel. Who's the number one day trader on YouTube? So I'm just kind of doing a play off that. Just, you know, poking fun at him a little bit. That sort of thing. It's so nice when Trader Oracle's bot talks in my ear and she goes, "Squeezy McSqueezy." Oh, that's what they say on the prop firm street, says Husk. Husk knows he's not. He's number 25. He knows. All right, maybe he's not 25. I don't know. All right, there's our accounts. Save. Earnings. Run. Boom. And what was the lead account? I forgot. 216. Husk is your favorite streamer. Get out of here, room. You're banned. Get out of here. Ban hammer. Oh, goodness. Tamimi says Patrick Whelan is not even a trader. Well, I mean, he's a trader / marketer. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, let's get our on the proper account and let's go ahead and get it set up. All right, let's figure out how many ticks we need for the 25K. We got to make $1,500 divided by 80, 18.75 points. So we're just going to go 19 times 4, 76 ticks. 76 will be our delight, and we need 4 minis. That's what we need. 4 minis, 76 ticks. All right? But until then, we're going to mess with this account that Tom got us in drawdown on by giving us that call out earlier. Tom got us in drawdown on this account. The funny thing is, guys, look at this. This is a 100-point move. Like, does that look like 100 points? It does not. 100-point move. What's up, Tom? I'm just kidding. I'm only kidding, Tom. All right, Tom's the number 5 day trader on YouTube. He's the number 5. We're going to pump him up to number 5. Oh, wow. Look at this thing go. There's 330. There's 330, guys. All right. We pull back. If we pull back into the 95, I'm going to long it here. Stop at the 85. I got in late. We touched 95, but by the time I hit it, it was too late. Turn your head. Avert your eyes. Who's the #1 DCAer on YouTube? Oh, that's not me. That's not me. Guys, you see how I averaged in there on that trade? You guys see how I averaged in? He's the most handsome? No, I don't agree. I don't agree. Tom uses Tom uses those beauty filters off TikTok. He uses a TikTok beauty filter when he streams. One of those that make you look extra handsome. That's what he uses when he streams. So if you've seen him without that TikTok beauty filter on, guys and girls, don't let TikTok fool you now. When these girls are like, this is me without a filter, you do realize that camera already has filters built in, right? So, this is me without a filter. No. That's you definitely with a filter. The VWAP is 300 points away. Is it? It is 319. Yeah, it is. I told you guys we might get a little Degen action today. Tamimi tried to give it. Tamimi, you got to try that on someone else's channel. You can't try that on mine. I'm just going to say, I'm going to call a spade, and he's a club. Good thing Tom and I are friends. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to talk to him about like this, you know? We wouldn't be able to make comments like that. Good thing we're friends. Tom said, if I got friends like that, I don't need an enemy. I think 63 might be a buy. What do you think? 58? 58 to 63. Nice little bounce area. Maybe get a little bounce out of that 58 to 63 area. Anybody else buying? I'm going to go. Oh, man, I didn't get it. I went too low. Look at there. Already bounced 10 points. Darn it. Right off 63, too. I didn't get it down in time. Ah, dang it. We're friends, Tom. Yes, we're friends. With friends like me, who needs an enemy? 50K. I'll probably go with the. Well, I like the 100K actually, Robert, on that fast track or on the Elite Trader. I like the 100Ks. We're at the comma right here on the over here on Oracles. Yeah, if anybody took that 63 bounce, that was a 5-minute wick test in case you didn't see it. I mean, that's what nice little 18-point bounce off that area. I got my order in there too late. Don't forget to use the coupon code MM, Robert, if you purchase one, or the link. I don't even know if my coupon code's on there. It's either MM or Myth. I can't remember. I think it's MM. Is it MM? Let me look. Or do you just have to use the link on that one? I don't remember. I don't remember. What up? Refer and earn. Is it just a link? I don't even know. Man, that long is still paying. Oh, my goodness. That's annoying. Rip it higher. I said higher. I did not say lower. I indeed did not say lower. How many displays? Ninja Scalp, I have 4. 232s, 227s. If we get a close back below that line, I'll take it off. Well, you don't see the line. This line. Close back below 81, we'll take it off. We get a nice bullish candle out of here. We will add. We shall add. 2 more. Rip it! Rip it! Never doubt it. Never in doubt. 100% win rate. Never in doubt. No one will buy those accounts at full price. Well, Bulenox is 90% off, though, currency. 90% off. You're holding your long on your personal funded. Let's go. Let's go. This thing's just going higher, guys. We're up $232 on this eval after being down 1,000. No, it doesn't end today, currency goddess. The 90% off is good for 10 more days. And they'll probably extend it, let's be honest. Let's be honest. As Zero Day J likes to say, they're habitual sell extenders. So you can see it is through August the 10th as of right now. August the 10th. Let's go. Let's go. They're going to keep it going because of things like that, right? They want to have the lowest rate. And also right now, guys, don't sleep on the option 2. Oh, I guess they changed it. Earlier option 2 was 83% off. And it looks like they changed it to 45. I thought option 2 was 83%, but nope, they changed it. That's all right. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, Lazy Trader Pro. We are doing the IFVG, and one of the things is just taking one trade a day on the funded accounts and putting those away. Not really caring what happens beyond that. You know, the I coulda, woulda, shoulda stuff. We don't do that. We don't worry about that anymore. So, we back hold me. Husk is going for the 100-point move. Let's see what he needs. Let's see what he needs. Where's he long from? He's long from 65. So he's up 40 points right now. No, wait. He's long from 75. You got a long way to go, Husk. Long way to go. Sim account up 24K. Don't you wish that was on the funded account, Yenna? That never happens on the funded, does it? Goodness. We hit the 74, which we need to reclaim to squeeze per Mancini, and we are just getting knocked right back down. Guys, I mean, like, I don't think this is a horrible area to short, to be honest, and I'm going to try it. I'm going to go with 3. Come on. All right, I'm going to take that off. Reason is, I mean, we got a lot of low resistance liquidity here, guys. We really could elevate her right through this. And we just tapped that 74 area, which is major resistance there on the ES. We could just boner candle right through this. So I'm on the 1-minute chart primarily, yes. I mean, I get on the 30-second stuff like that, but yes, they are lifetime, Mia. How you doing? Welcome to the Methodical Crew, Mia. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Even though you're a woman, you still the man. That's how it works. That's how it works. So if the ES does not reclaim 74 here, guys, we're just going to go right back down. We are just going to go right back down. Hold me. I see you. I see you. I see you. You to they, them. Oh, goodness. Man, I kind of want to short again. Heavy. I kind of want to short again. All right, I'll tell you what. I'm going to be reasonable here. And I'm going to short here for a retest of that area. See a little retest here. And we'll go with 3. We'll go with 3 minis. And we'll target kind of like down here. I don't know if we can get it. And stop's got to be pretty wide, but that's all right, right? Hopefully it doesn't go without us. Just a plain old natural woman. Nothing wrong with that. High resistance liquidity run. Yeah. Hopefully that's not what it is. We'll see what happens. Yeah, MM. Oh, yeah, I didn't tell you the code. MM is the code. 90% off MM. Let's go. Appreciate you if you use my code. You still demand. Do I just jump in here? Hold me. Let's be honest, right? I'm gonna be completely honest with you here. No one else is gonna be this way with you, hold me. No one else, okay? I am able to be a full-time trader because you guys use my code. You're welcome. No, well, thank you, actually. That is the only reason I'm able to be a full-time trader. If you guys did not use my code, that wouldn't happen. So, not a lot of YouTubers are going to tell you that. Not a lot of YouTubers are going to tell you what they make. It's just not going to happen. I tell you those things. I'll start off with one here on a little little scalpy. I mean, just trying to get a quick 5 points out of this. Feels like it's going to put in a little OB. If it fails to, then we'll just stop it out. Actually, we'll just leave it on. Why not? Dun, 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 dun. Elite Trader says MM is an invalid code. Try Myth or Methodical. It's got to be one of those. Or just my link. Oh, yeah. I think you just use my link with them. The link should be... where is that link? Right there. I pinned the link up in the chat. So yeah, just use my link and then whatever code they have. So we already took our profit on a couple of those. Yeah, nice. But we're still in on this one. Oh yeah, I only have one stop in too. I need to put the other stop in, I guess. Oh, what is going on here? What is this? Oh. What stop is this? Hold on. That's not a stop. That's an ad. I was confused for a moment. At least lock in 5 handles here. Although I think we could fall off the cliff here. There we go. Made a few bucks. I don't know if we made anything on... Did we make anything on that? I guess we really didn't because we were in so much drawdown on the short from here. So we kind of needed to get back to that spot. I think that was kind of basically a wash, which is sad. But there you go. All right, we got about 4 minutes here until the murder bot. Up or down? What do you guys think at the murder bot? Robert, let me look for the code on Elite Trader Funding. Why can I not find the code? So for their evaluations, what is the code? Oh, here it is. Yeah, well, there should be no code for that. Yeah, you just have to use my link. I mean, you just get the 100K for 37 bucks without a code. Yeah, so it should just be the link. Up and away. Okay, up and away it is. All right, here we go. I'm all in. It's like poker, guys. I'm all in. I'm all in. We're going to add. Start with 3. And if we pull back, we're going to add. We don't want to pull back, but perfecto. Use the link. Let's go. Oh, yeah, pass in one day. I don't know if I would care about that, Robert. You can still pass in one day and just flip. Bassett thinks down. I mean, that could be, right? Could very well be. I mean, we'd like to see us close above that. We got less than 2 minutes. We got the, is that the 200 there? It is. So the 200, we got a pivot point up there at the 28s. You guys hear that stove beeping in there? I got to go in there and turn that off. It's going to drive me crazy. Let me go in there and turn it off. Be right back. Oh. All right. Are we going to long at the murder bot? I think we might. You piece of crap. That thing started beeping again. All right, we're 1 minute away from the murder bot. Okay. You thought it was your fridge? It's my stove. That thing is stupid. Like, I don't know what it is. When you use it, sometimes it does that. Guys, this thing. Did you see that? You see that? That's how it's done. Equal highs at 42s. I just spammed the shit out of the buy button right there, guys. I think we went 6 minis right there. 20 ticks a piece. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to have to go hit the button again. Come on, the stupid stove. Be right back. All right, did we miss the murder bot? We didn't miss it. Here it comes. To the moon, to the moon. To the moon, to the moon. Taking us higher. Oh, 9. I think 07. I think I mixed up the 076 100 points lower with this 076. Do I stand in front of this train? I think I do. I think I do. I'm going to stand in front of the train, guys. We are going to stand right in front of the train. Oh, my goodness. This stove, man. This stove is annoying me. I'm going to stand right in front of that train. Stand in front of the train when the tracks when the train is coming through. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but hey, no one ever said I was smart. All right, I'm going to go and, yeah, I'll be right back. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That missed me by that much, really? Really? Oh my goodness. Should I have front run that? Oh my God, guys. Look at that. That is insane. All TPs would have already been smashed on that. I mean, that's the reaction I wanted. I didn't front run it enough. Oh, I actually didn't front run it at all. This is at 75. I was supposed to have it at 76. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Hold on. We didn't get a test yet. I was looking at that. That's my TP. Okay, never mind. We'll see. All right, I thought it came close. Whew. Up 162 on your new eval. Let's go. Appreciate your currency goddess. Look at this thing, man. All right, let's see what we got here. We'll take a little bounce here. A little bounce play. We got the 55 algorithm coming up in a moment. So let's see if we can get out before then. We did. I was hiding under the desk. We were like, let's get out of here. All right, we do need to get ready for the, once we get into the final minute, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the other accounts, and we will try to get those set up for the news play, because I don't really know what time it's coming out. So we're kind of retesting this inversion here. I kind of figured that'd be a little support. That's why I kind of longed off that area, but what the heck is that? What the heck is that? Is that the hour that we're not open? I guess. I don't know why that's on there. That's new. Never seen that before. All right, guys. I think this is going to take us down. Let's just go. I think the 55 takes us down. We're going to go 7. We're going to average in 7 Connies. Well, we need 8. We need 8 more 100. We're in 4. We need 6, 7. All right, I'm trusting in the murder bot to take us down at the 55. I'm fully trusting in it. And if it doesn't, we're wrecked. We're wrecked! All right. That's how you go up $2,000 to being dead in an instant. You just go 7 minis and spam it. Guess I should have waited for it to happen. That's a pretty mild 55 algo, to be honest, though. Mancini says, Bulls stepped in right where they had to. Major support, 47. Decision point, we held it and bounced. 74. Okay. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you got a better long. All right, here we go. Yeah, we probably shouldn't have did that, but at the end of the day, big deal. Big deal. So I'm going to place my orders. And so, like, if you guys have never done this before, all you do is you set up an ATM strategy that will allow you to pass. You set one up above, no stop loss, one below, and then you hit OCO and tie the buy and the sell together. And then once you're tagged in on one, it will cancel the other. So if you've never done that, that's how it's done. All right, Currency Goddess, appreciate you. Man, I thought me being like all Degen style would get me more viewers today. You know what I mean? They're just used to the old methodical where he just doesn't gamble. He just doesn't gamble. Long ski, yeah, probably a long ski makes sense, right? It's thundering outside, like we're gonna get a little storm. All right, got about 2 minutes here. And I don't know what time earnings are, so we'll place the orders out and just let, you know, whenever it happens, it happens. The way I'll probably do it, is I like to just zoom out. We know that the candle probably will be at least 100 points. So I'll probably go 40 points, 50 points above price, 40 points, 50 points below price. And that should keep us safe from getting tagged in. Obviously, if the earnings are like a disappointment and they don't go 100 points, then we just won't get tagged in, and that's okay. If that's the case, then we'll trade these normal. Not today, but later on, another day. We'll trade them normal another day. So we'll see what happens. So coming into the final minute in a moment. 50 points above below. Yeah, I think that makes sense, Bassett, right? You don't have to be like too precise with it. So let me see. We're currently at 19,022. So yeah, kind of like 80 is like something like that. And then kind of like somewhere in there. I might go a little further away depending upon what happens in this final minute. But let's see. This needs to come down a little more. Dun, 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 dun. It's 50 points this way. That's about 50 points that way. No, I'm not in a position, Gabriel. I got the orders just sitting out there. Just got the order sitting out there. I'm going to lower this down a little bit. No, actually, 70. What the hell's going on here? My thing is frozen. Okay, now it moved. Purchase the long. You can't go wrong. Maybe. I mean, if it just rips up, that's good. I want to keep it like 30, 40 points away from price, so. Oh, I think I got tagged in short there. There we go. We're in and out. We're in and out. Let's check the P&L. Let's check it. Boom, 1520. 1520. That looked pretty clean to me. 1520 and 1520. There we go. 4 of them passed. We had it placed perfectly in the perfect spot. Let's go, Elite Food. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription, you the man. So there we go, guys. We nuked the other 3 evals that we traded, but we passed these with ease. Let's go. So now that's going to give us 9 total 25Ks going into the new month here. We'll go ahead and get these activated and make it our goal to get these 5 new ones to pay out by the end of the month. So easy peasy. That's how we like to see it. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. That's going to do it for me today. And we'll be back tomorrow live at 9:15 a.m. Thanks for joining me for the Degen Hour on a Monday. And again, 90% off Bulenox. Don't forget that if you want to support the channel. 80% off APEX. All the links down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time. Thank you.